Michelle Plumstead here, Remax East Coast Elite. Thanks for joining me for this week's Movin Up Minute. So let's talk about open houses. We didn't have open houses for almost 2 years in a row because houses were just selling so fast that there was no opportunity to even do an open house or a reason to do them. But do they work? We're seeing a lot more of them lately. Now, there's different ways to look at an open house. Will your house sell from an open house? Statistically, probably not. Probably, it's not like the shows that you see on TV that you have an open house and then 6 offers come in. That isn't typically the way our market works. What it does is it helps showcase a property to people that might not otherwise take a look. Maybe somebody wants to be on the south side, but the perfect home comes up on the north side, so they go and take a look. It could be that somebody only wanted a 2-story, but they took a chance and they went and looked at a bungalow and maybe it's a great fit. But the other thing a lot of sellers get worried about is, just going to get a bunch of nosy neighbors in here. There's not going to be anybody that's actually going to buy it. Well, you know what? Your nosy neighbors are the best people to promote your property. They obviously love where they live, and that you don't know who they're going to have lunch with, who just get transferred into their work or whatever. And for them to be able to say, hey, you know what? I just went and looked at this house. You need to see it. It is spectacular. So do open houses work? Sure. They get the word out. They get people looking at your home that might not otherwise have looked at it or booked an appointment with a realtor. So they never hurt. What's the best time? Personally, I think Sundays 2 to 4 is a great time because that's kind of the way people are conditioned. But evening ones are great too, like a 5 to 7, get people on their way home from work. Saturday, there's no right or wrong answer. But if you're selling, it's not a bad option to have an open house. If you're moving up, moving over, moving out, you've got questions, I've got answers. Wishing you guys all a fantastic weekend. Bye for now.